everyone. I got a comment under my box. Someone wants me to draw a spanner, so I want to take this time and draw that spanner. I want to take my time so that you all get how to draw a spanner. Okay, I got this wrench spanner that is 17 by 13. Okay, what you should observe is the dimension here. We have the length of the spanner to be what? The length of the spanner to be 100. Okay, what this implies is that it's not the total length of this spanner that is 100. If you check where it stopped, is at this point, and if you check from this point, you notice that this is equal distance with this. So there is a cycle, and if you check this, there is an equal distance with this, so there is also a cycle. That means it starts from the middle of this cycle and stop at the middle of this cycle. So now we have something to work on. We have 100. Okay, let's go back. We have our length to be 100, so let's pick a line. Before we pick the line, make sure that you have done your layer settings. You can go back to my previous video. I spoke about layer. So when you pick a line, you specify our length to be 100. And you enter. So now we have 100, and we have the thickness, that's the width of this, to be 11. So let's offset, and want to offset by 11. We divide 11 by 2, you're going to have 5.5. So now it's asking us, I pick an offset from modify toolbar, and it's asking us the distance of offset, say 5.5. So we select object to offset, select this, select this, So now we have gotten our width, that is this, and the last one, which is 11. So if you put 5.5 times 2, you're going to have your 11 back. Okay, let's go back. So from where it stopped, from where this 100 stopped, we have a cycle of radius 16, and from where it stopped here, we have a cycle of radius 15. Okay, so let's pick a cycle. I'll pick a cycle with center radius and say 16. Okay, let's repeat a cycle and say 15. Okay, let's go back. We have another cycle inside. I know it will be very difficult for you to say that this is a cycle. Actually, this is a cycle. If you complete it, you notice that it's a cycle. So we have a cycle of radius 13, and we have another cycle of radius 9. So let's go back. Let's pick a cycle. So we said this cycle is 13. Let's repeat another cycle with radius of 9. Okay, so now let's go back. What next? We also have the length of this spanner from here to here. From here to here to be 17, and from here to here to be 13. I think that's where they got the 17 by 13 wrench spanner. So we're going to do a trick here. Let's get a polyline. Get a polyline. Let's put it here. I'm going to say the length of this polyline to be, let me use 30. I just want it to cut through my cycle of radius 16, maybe 17. So we said the width of that spanner is 17 by 13, so this one is going to be 17. Okay, so I'm going to apply another straight line here to help us for intersection. Okay, I've done this side. This is what I'm trying to do. This side, that is 17. So I've gotten this side from here to here 17. So the other side is what? The other side from here to here is 13. Look at it. So I'm going to come here and draw the same thing I drew here. I'm going to make this one 13. So like I said, so that you cut my cycle, I'm going to put 13 the width. Okay, so cover it up. So I'm also going to use a line to help me for intersection. Okay, so I'm going to place this, but before I place it, I'm going to rotate it. Look at our spanner. This one is being rotated downward, and this one is being rotated, it's being tilted up, and this one is tilted down. Okay, I'm going to tilt it using rotation. So I go under modify, select rotation, then I highlight what I want to rotate, enter, then I select the base of rotation, which is here. So I'm rotating it at this angle. I'm going to rotate it at this angle. Okay, I repeat rotation for this. Okay, enter, select the base side, actually this is my base. I'm going to rotate this one also upward. Okay, so now I think it's now time to move. Under modify, you select move, you highlight what you're moving, enter, and then you select the center of this side, the center of your spanner, and place it at the middle of this cycle. The same thing for this move, select, enter, and then the middle you move. Okay, so now you see why I've done this straight line, so that I will be able to find when I'm trying to place this my cycle, so that I'll locate intersection. Okay, I'll go to move again. This time around I'm moving the inner circle, select it, enter. So now this point of intersection will go straight to this side, and then go on move again on this cycle. I select, enter, and I locate the point of intersection. Let me zoom this so that you can move properly. Select the center. Okay, this tangent. Okay, this intersection. Okay, now I place it here. Okay, so now we have achieved our drawing. So what we're going to do now is just to remove most of the things we don't need, like this one. We remove it to bring out our thickness. And what next? Let's fillet. Under modify, select fillet. So now we go back to our drawing. What is this saying? This side was being filleted, so it's been fillet at a radius of 47. This side is fillet at a radius of 23. So both this side and this side are 23, and both this side and this side is 47. Okay, we select fillet here, and we type R to get our radius, and it's saying what is the radius. We set 47. Enter. So select what to fillet. Okay, repeat fillet, select. Okay, so the other side we got our fillet to be what, 23. So we're going to radius again and 23. So select, fillet, repeat by right clicking, select, and what, fillet. Okay, I think we have achieved 50% of our drawing. Okay, so now we're going to trim what we don't want in this drawing. So you select trim under modify, trim, and then these are objects we don't need. These are objects we don't need. Select them and remove. And this one also, I think the same thing. Same thing to be done here. You can see our spanner. Okay, so now this is our spanner. We have done justice to this spanner. Let's delete. Okay, so if we dimension this, you're going to see that actually what was there was what we got. So we see based on dimension, see this is 11. Okay, going under dimension again, let's go for radius and see what we have here. Okay, we have this to be 15 while that was 16. So maybe when we're imputing our cycle, our radius for our cycle, we imputed wrongly. We're getting 16 and we're getting 16 here, but all the same you can try continuously and see what you got. And also let's see the widthness of our range. You go modify and you go with align. Okay, let's say we want to align this to this. So we got 13. So you see our 13 is out, and let's move this and see. Okay, align also here to here. Okay, so now our spanner that is 17 by 13 is perfectly gotten here. So that is it for our spanner. Let me go a little bit further and just touch on convert this to 3D drawing. So you can easily convert this to a 3D drawing by going to this side, control view, and then change it to southwest isometric. So now this is our spanner in southwest isometric drawing. Okay, let's make the spanner a bit perfect by press pulling. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, let's start press pulling this side. Okay, let's redo this. Let's press pull. spool. We do it professionally. Let's say we're press pulling by 9. Okay, or let's go for multiple. Let's go for multiple. We're press pulling the whole spanner, let's say by 9. Okay, so you see this is our spanner. We press pull it by 9. Let's do a bit of a touching to this spanner. Press pull it by 9. We are trying to see if I can do some application to this spanner. Let's change our view so that you can see what we do. Let's see conceptual. Okay, so let's go and see realistic. Okay, this is our spanner. You can actually visualize it by going under your material so that you can change your view, because this green is too upward. My material is loading. This time around I'll be touching more on drawing, so please do subscribe so that when I touch or when I place a new drawing, you can easily see it here. Okay, so now I just want to place just want to change this. So let me go with metallic paint. I want to paint my spanners. This one is looking awkward, too awkward. Let me try this paint. Okay, try this paint. Oh. I think this one is a bit awkward too. So from here you can actually place whatever you want to place on your drawing. This is where you can get your material, whichever material that suits you. You come here and get it and just place it. Change the view of your drawing. So I'm just playing around with this. It's not part of this class. I'm just trying to check. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please do subscribe so that my next video you get to see this properly. I'll get to be doing a lot of drawing these days because okay, so that's it. That's a spanner here, which is cheap. So you see, you can easily see through this spanner. Okay, please drop a comment on what you want me to draw and I will get on it as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day. Please subscribe so that my next video you get to see what I've done so far.